Hi everyone. Are you looking for more customers and improve your revenue for your commercial carpet cleaning business? If yes, then this video is just the thing for you. People usually look out to Google when they are trying to search for the best carpet cleaning services in the town. And as a business owner, if you're offering similar or same services, you need to be on top of Google to increase your chances of more revenue. So the client in discussion was offering carpet cleaning services in different cities in United States, and what we advise to them is to create specific landing pages for each city and then optimize those landing pages for Google to rank them. Of course, the technical part of SEO had to be taken care of and the landing pages had to be optimized for better conversions. But apart from that, it was important for us to work on local listings as well as Google My Business profile setting. We had to optimize Google My Business for various locations the client was offering services, and after implementation of all the optimized inputs on the website, we did see decent amount of improvement. As you can clearly see in the graphs that the organic traffic showed decent enough of improvement. Improvement in organic traffic was almost 900% over a span of 6 months. Events such as page views, user engagement, and sessions showed decent amount of improvement, almost 700%. As you can very well see, the daily active users on the website improved on weekly as well as monthly basis. Organic clicks as well as impressions on the website also improved as depicted in the graph. Since we had already optimized the landing pages, the conversions improved by almost 1000% as depicted in the graph. Everything on the website improved along with the conversions. As you can see, there were almost 1700 plus conversions for the client in a span of 6 months through diligent SEO. In case you are offering similar services and are operating in different cities, locations, we surely can help you to optimize your landing pages for specific locations and help you generate better ROI. Feel free to get in touch with us through our website and we surely will be able to help. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.